Hypochloremia, Things You Should Know, Questions and Answers, by Rumi Michael Lee. Introduction. I would like to thank and congratulate you for listening to this book, Hypochloremia, Things You Should Know, Questions and Answers. This book will help you understand, revise, and have a good general knowledge and keywords of hypochloremia. Chapter 1. 1. What is hypochloremia? Hypochloremia is low chloride blood level. 2. What is chloride? Chloride is an electrolyte. 3. What are electrolytes? Electrolytes are minerals that carry electrical charge. 4. Give examples of electrolytes. Examples of electrolytes are sodium, potassium, magnesium, calcium, etc. 5. What are the functions of electrolytes? Electrolytes help the nerves and muscles to function properly, maintain fluid equilibrium, and maintain blood pH. 6. What is pH? pH is the measure of acidity. 7. What is a bicarbonate? A bicarbonate is a base that normalizes the pH. 8. What organ maintains the levels of chloride in the body? The kidney maintains the levels of chloride in the body. 9. What are the causes of hypochloremia? The causes of hypochloremia are problems with the kidney, vomiting, diarrhea, sweating a lot, metabolic alkalosis, diuretics, corticosteroids, laxatives, syndrome of inappropriate antidiuretic hormone (SIADH), bicarbonates, respiratory acidosis, congestive heart failure, emphysema, etc. 10. What is metabolic alkalosis? Metabolic alkalosis is a very high alkaline pH level in the body. Chapter 2. 1. What are diuretics? Diuretics are medications that increase the production of urine and help the body to eliminate water and salt. 2. What are corticosteroids? Corticosteroids are medications that reduce inflammation. 3. What are laxatives? Laxatives are medications used in the treatment of constipation. 4. What is respiratory acidosis? Respiratory acidosis occurs when the pH of the body is too low. 5. What is syndrome of inappropriate antidiuretic hormone, SIADH? Syndrome of inappropriate antidiuretic hormone is the creation of excessive antidiuretic hormones by the body. 6. What is a congestive heart failure? A congestive heart failure is when the heart is unable to pump blood efficiently. 7. What is emphysema? Emphysema is a chronic lung disease that causes breathing difficulties. 8. Is hypotension a sign and symptom of hypochloremia? Yes, hypotension is a sign and symptom of hypochloremia. 9. What is hypotension? Hypotension is a low blood pressure. 10. What is blood pressure? Blood pressure is the force exerted by the blood on the walls of the arteries every time the heart beats. Chapter 3. 1. What is a low blood pressure range? A low blood pressure range is anything less than 90/60ths of a millimeter of mercury. 2. What does 90 represent in 90/60ths of a millimeter of mercury? 90 represents the systolic blood pressure. 3. What does 60 represent in 90/60ths of a millimeter of mercury? 60 represents the diastolic blood pressure. 4. What does mmHg represent? mmHg represents millimeter mercury. 5. What is systole? Systole is the contraction of the heart. 6. What is diastole? Diastole is the relaxation of the heart. 7. Could fever be a sign and symptom of an electrolyte imbalance? Yes, fever could be a sign and symptom of an electrolyte imbalance. 8. Could confusion be a sign and symptom of an electrolyte imbalance? Yes, confusion could be a sign and symptom of an electrolyte imbalance. 9. Could breathing difficulties be a sign and symptom of an electrolyte imbalance? Yes, breathing difficulties could be a sign and symptom of an electrolyte imbalance. 10. Is dehydration a sign and symptom of hypochloremia? Yes, dehydration is a sign and symptom of hypochloremia. Chapter 4. 1. Is diarrhea a sign and symptom of hypochloremia? Yes, diarrhea is a sign and symptom of hypochloremia. 2. Is fatigue a sign and symptom of hypochloremia? Yes, fatigue is a sign and symptom of hypochloremia. 3. Is vomiting a sign and symptom of hypochloremia? Yes, vomiting is a sign and symptom of hypochloremia. 4. Is tachycardia a sign and symptom of hypochloremia? Yes, tachycardia is a sign and symptom of hypochloremia. 5. What is tachycardia? Tachycardia is a fast heart rate. 6. What is the normal heart rate at rest? The normal heart rate at rest is from 60 to 100 beats per minute. 7. Is bradycardia a sign and symptom of hypochloremia? No, bradycardia is not a sign and symptom of hypochloremia. 8. What is bradycardia? Bradycardia is a slow heart rate. 9. Are there always noticeable signs and symptoms of hypochloremia? No, there are not always noticeable signs and symptoms of hypochloremia. 10. What is metabolism? Metabolism is the ability to transform the food we consume into energy. Chapter 5. 1. What is Bartter syndrome? Bartter syndrome is a group of genetic disorders of the kidney. 2. What is hyponatremia? Hyponatremia is low sodium levels in the blood. 3. How is hypochloremia diagnosed? Hypochloremia can be diagnosed by a chloride blood test, a urine test, etc. 4. What are the treatments for hypochloremia? The treatments for hypochloremia include taking supplements, foods rich in chloride, intravenous saline solution, etc. Conclusion. Thank you again for listening to this book. I hope it has helped you in your journey to understanding hypochloremia.